Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pickle sauce. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of your favorite dill pickles, half a cup of creamy mayonnaise, and 2 tablespoons of fresh, chopped dill. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of zesty Dijon mustard and 1 teaspoon of aromatic garlic powder. These simple components are the foundation for a truly delicious sauce. Now, let's get everything ready for mixing. Start by finely dicing your 1 cup of dill pickles. Aim for small, consistent pieces, about 1/8 of an inch, to ensure a smooth texture in your sauce. Next, mince your 2 tablespoons of fresh dill until it's very fine. Once prepped, combine all these ingredients in a medium-sized mixing bowl. With all your ingredients in the bowl, it's time to mix. Gently fold everything together until the mayonnaise, pickles, and spices are thoroughly combined and the sauce looks creamy. Now for the fun part, taste it. Adjust the seasonings as needed. You might want a bit more Dijon mustard for tang or extra garlic powder for a bolder flavor. A pinch of sugar or a dash of hot sauce can also add a delightful twist. Once your pickle sauce is perfectly mixed, cover it and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time is crucial, as it allows all those wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully. Serve this incredibly versatile sauce with your favorite burgers, hot dogs, or sandwiches. It also makes a fantastic dip for fries or vegetables. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below. Enjoy your homemade pickle sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.